Hello, this is Online Queues, YouTube channel for online queries. In this video, I will show you how to delete or deactivate your Facebook account from your mobile phone. The settings on Facebook keeps updating, so it is confusing for us users when we cannot find the settings option that we are looking for. First, launch the Facebook app. Then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Select Settings. Now go ahead and tap on Access and Control option. Tap on Deactivation and Deletion. You can choose to deactivate your Facebook account temporarily, or you can delete your account permanently. Select the option and continue. Please remember that your Facebook account along with the pages that you have created will also be deactivated or deleted too. Enter your login password and continue. This is how you can delete or deactivate your Facebook account from mobile phone. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you find this video helpful.